This video will show you
AxisRooms
how to
lets you
update rate and inventory from Channel Manager. AxisRooms lets you update rate and inventory from Channel Manager. Let's see how. Hello everyone, today I will be taking you through AxisRooms application. So let's see how exactly AxisRooms application works. As you can see in my screen, we have for login option, supplier, supplier admin, support, and supplier user. We will be logging in as supplier. Once you click on login, you will be redirected to the application dashboard. So on the left-hand side you can see your property name. The important feature of AxisRooms Channel Manager is to upload the rates and inventory. So let's see how to upload the rates and inventory. To update the rates and inventory, click on Manage tab, then click on Inventory and Prices. Once you click on Inventory and Prices, you will be redirected to Inventory and Pricing Calendar. So, this is how Inventory and Pricing Calendar looks like. And also, this page is configured according to the property. For example, the property is having a deluxe category, club category, and a basic category. Not only the room category is configured according to the property, but also the rate plan is configured according to the property. So now let's see how to update the inventory. To update the inventory for a particular date. In case if you wish to update the inventory for a particular date. So now, I wish to update 6 inventory for a particular date. That is for July 26th for deluxe category. I wish to update 6 inventory. So update the value and click on Save. Once you click on Save Changes, an instant log appears which shows completed. This means the inventory which was updated is pushed successfully to the OTAs. Now let's see how to update the inventory in a bulk. To update the inventory in a bulk, click on Multi-Update. Then pick a start date and end date. So, I will be updating it from 22nd July to 31st of August. Then update the value So now, I wish to update 15 inventory for deluxe category from the 22nd to the 31st of August. Also in case if you have the same inventory for any other room category, you can select that room category as well, so that the 15 inventory will be uniformly flown to deluxe room and the standard rooms. And one more option you have, you can also select the days of week. If you wish to push this 15 inventory only on the weekends, then select all the other days and just push on weekends. If not, select all the days of week. Once you select and update all these informations, just click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, you will be redirected to the log page. So, here you can see the updated inventory is flown successfully to the OTAs. So, this is how you can update the inventory for a particular date or in a bulk. So now let's see how to update the prices. To update the prices, click on Pricing. Then click on Multi-Update. So once you click on Multi-Update, you can see the room categories here, the rate plans here, and also the connected OTAs. Now, I will be updating. The pricing for the single occupancy is 5,000, double occupancy is 5,000, and triple occupancy is 6,000, and whatever for extra adult. So now, for example, I'm updating is 1,500 for extra bed. Also, I will be updating 500. Once you update all these informations, just pick a start date and end date. Here also you have option of clicking the days of week. In case if you wish to update this particular in a pricing only on the weekends, and select all the other days and update it. If not, just select all the days of week. Also here you can update the inventory other prices for multiple days, or the multiple for alternative months. Also you can update this rates at least for 5 alternative days or the weeks or the month. So if you wish to update it for particular month, then click all this, you can click on minus button, and you can update it only for particular month. So once you have updated this, just click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, you will have an instant log appearing, as we saw for the inventory. So this log means it is completed. The price you have updated is pushed to the OTAs successfully. We have to more status, which is processing and failed. Processing mean you can just wait for some time till it get connected. And failed means you can click on the failed icon. And you can be checked, it can be checked. So this is how easy it is to update the rates and inventory via Channel Manager. That brings us to the end of this video on how to update rate and inventory from Channel Manager.